And for the actual gear that I'm running, it's Shimano 11-speed, just like everybody. And the front crank is a compact, so it's a 50-34. And then in the back, it is actually an 11-36, which totally works with the 5800 long cage, or sorry, 7000 long cage rear derailleur. And that's pretty much just so that I can spin up everything. You know, I'm going to be upset if I don't have a low enough gear, but I'm not going to be upset if I have a big gap. And the tires are tubeless Panaracer Gravel King SKs, and then I've got this auto lock back here just in case I have to take a stop at a gas station or something like that. And then the frame is a China Carbon bike. It's a Carbonda 696, and that was painted by Right Hook Finishes. And that's pretty much it. I kind of wanted to do this tour as cheap as possible, which is why I mostly just used stuff that I already had. The Blackburn bag here is around, I think it's like 70 bucks, and it's the large version. The Chrome bag I already had, same with the top tube bag, but if you want to get those, they're fairly cheap. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and the other thing is for tools and stuff, I'm gonna bring 3 tubes and a multi-tool that has pretty much everything on it. And then I've got this frame pump right here, or mini pump that I have on the frame, and that should take care of me for hopefully the 0 flats that I get. Cool. Bye.